National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Simpson County in central Mississippi until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Panola, or near Mendenhall. Movement was nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Panola around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service